the short term by buying and selling stocks frequently. In other words, while one relies on gradual appreciation, the other focuses on market volatility. Now, being a trader can mean a number of different things. Many companies actually hire traders to help them carry out their investment decisions. For example, an investment firm may decide they want to own shares of Plain Bagel Co. So they'll hire a trader to help them get the best price for the shares. In this video, however, we'll be focusing on traders who operate with the sole objective of making them.
Here's how to open the battery compartment. Hard to do with one hand, but you just pop it that way.